ब्रह्मकुमारी के शांति सरोवर ग्लोबल पीस ऑडिटोरियम में स्पंदना एड इंटरनेशनल फाउंडेशन की तीसरी सालगिरह तकरीब मुनक्किद हुई। चेयरमैन डॉक्टर एडा सैमुअल रेड्डी, डायरेक्टर एडा अंजी रेड्डी की निगरानी में यह तकरीब मुनक्किद हुई, जहां मेहमान खुसूसी के तौर पर तेलुगु फिल्म अदाकार अली, ब्रह्मकुमारी के डायरेक्टर बी.के. कुलदीप दीदी, अलका मनोज, बीजेपी तेलंगाना के नायब सदर एम डॉक्टर कल्याण चक्रवर्ती, डॉक्टर एस.एच. कुलकर्णी, एस. बंडारू जयशी, चाइल्ड वेलफेयर कमेटी टीएसपीआर के चेयरपर्सन मौजूद थे।
మరొక గెస్ట్ అండి అల్కా మనోజ్ మేడం గారు, బీజేపీ యువమోర్చా వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు. మరి వారు కూడా ఈ వేదికను ఉద్దేశించి మిమ్మల్ని అందరిని ఉద్దేశించి మాట్లాడవలసిన ఇన్వైట్ చేసుకుందాం మీ యొక్క బిగ్ క్లాప్తో.
Namaskar to all of you on the dais and off the dais. Thank you so much. My tribute to Spandana, and I'm so thankful to Samuel Reddy Garu and Anji Reddy Garu. Instead of sitting their home and crying for their sorrow moment, they chose to work across the country to save others' life, so that the incident which happened in their family, it should not be repeated in anybody's else family. So we should give big clap to Dr. Samuel Reddy Garu and Anji Reddy Garu. Thank you, sir. First of all, I'll encourage you all, you love yourself. When you love yourself, you will never feel that this is the end. When we have night today, morning will come tomorrow at any cost. So if you're feeling somewhere that you're not able to do it, try it out. You can do it. You need to try in a different way. I'll just give you one example. We have from here, from South India, Central Minister Kishan Reddy Garuji. He was MLA for 15 years here in Hyderabad, and he lost 4th time. Can you just imagine, 3 times, 15 years he was the MLA, and 4th time. He knows each and every person in his constituency, but he lost there. So according to the situation, like the youth are there, he would have suicided, but he didn't do it. But you know, next what happened? He waited, he worked more, harder, and then when we had the MP election, just after a few months, he won the election, and then from Modi ji, he has been chosen as a union minister now. So he did not lose his hope there, and he didn't take any negative step there. He worked hard. He gave his more % to the public and to the parties and to everything, everyone. So this is the best example I can tell you. Even Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, I had the fortune to live with him in the same colony. We were there in the same colony because my father also is a scientist. So when they had they wanted to launch for the Agni missile. They failed because of some technical issue, and that was the first trial. But there, all the team, instead of crying and blaming each other, they just tried again. And the next time, they succeed. And now India has become the superpower for all the missiles. And he was known as a missile man. And then he was a great president also. So we do not know, just for one thing you just stuck somewhere and you will say it is done. It's not done. Several times in my lifetime has come where I would have suicided, but I didn't do that. I took the courage. No, I can do it. I can do it in a better way. So I'm standing here in front of you all. I request you all to just share everything with your parents all the time. For me, because I'm married, so my husband is my best friend. I share everything with him. Let it be anything, wherever I'm down or I have any emotion, anything. So there I get the courage. So do not think that I cannot do this. You have so many opportunities nowadays. So you can go in a various sector. You do not think that you did not become engineer, you did not become doctor, so you can't do anything in your life. You can do everything and you can become the topper in that field where you have interest. So go according to your interest. So, and become the role model. I am even international fashion designer also. It was very difficult for me to convince my father to allow me to do the fashion designing, because my father is a scientist, my brother is an engineer, my sister is an engineer, my husband is an engineer, but I was the only one. I had interest in designing, so it was very difficult for me to convince them, but somehow I could convince. Now I have fame across the world, not only in Hyderabad. I have fame across the world. So there is nothing end. Go where you are feeling you can do best, go and excel in that. All the best to you all. Hope to see you as a role model to this society and to your nation also. Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ అనేవి తాత్కాలికం. మనం చేసేటువంటి నిరంతర శ్రమ ఖచ్చితంగా అధిగమించినప్పుడు ఏ విధంగా సక్సెస్ జర్నీలకు వెళ్ళవచ్చు మేడం గారు కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ వివరించారు. మేడం గారు హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. విశిష్ట సేవారత్న అవార్డు, డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ అవార్డు, ఇటువంటి ఎన్నో అవార్డులతో పాటు ఎన్నో రివార్డులు కూడా సొంతం చేసుకుంటారు. గ్రేట్ పర్సనాలిటీ అవర్ ఫౌండేషన్ చైర్మన్ సార్ డాక్టర్ ఇదా శ్యామిల్ రెడ్డి గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా హృదయపూర్వకంగా మనం స్వాగతించుకుందామండి. ప్లీజ్ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి విశిష్ట అతిథిగా ఇచ్చేసినటువంటి ప్రముఖ, అలాగే ఎంత మంచి కార్యక్రమం ఇక్కడ జరుపుకోవటానికి ఎంతో సహకారం అందించిన రాజయోగిని కులదీప్ దీది గారికి, అలాగే వేదిక మీద చాలామంది ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి సమయం చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి పేరు పేరున ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి వేదిక మీద ఉన్న పెద్దలందరికీ హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేస్తూ, అలాగే ఇక్కడికి గత 3 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి చేస్తున్న కార్యక్రమాల్లో ఎన్నో విధాలుగా సహకరిస్తూ ఎంతోమంది జీవితాలు నిలబడటానికి సహాయపడినటువంటి విఐపి గెస్టులందరికీ, మరి ముఖ్యంగా కమిటీ మెంబర్స్